How many times have you felt that twinge of sensitivity when drinking something cold, or noticed your gums aren't as healthy as they used to be, no matter how much you brush and floss? You're not alone. Millions of us struggle with these common oral health issues, often feeling like we've tried everything without seeing real, lasting results. It can be frustrating and even affect our confidence. But what if the solution wasn't just about cleaning, but about rebalancing the very environment inside your mouth? What if there was a way to support your oral health from the inside out using a breakthrough in dental science? Stay with me because we're about to explore a revolutionary approach that could change the way you think about your smile forever. So, what's really going on inside our mouths? It's a bustling ecosystem of bacteria, both good and bad. Traditional oral care products often wipe out everything, including the beneficial bacteria that are crucial for protecting our teeth and gums. This is where ProvaDent comes in with a completely different strategy. ProvaDent is a unique, dissolvable tablet formulated with a powerful blend of probiotics specifically chosen for their ability to support oral health. Think of it like bringing in reinforcements for the good guys. When you let a ProvaDent tablet dissolve in your mouth, you're directly introducing billions of beneficial bacteria that help crowd out the harmful ones responsible for plaque, bad breath, and gum irritation. It's not just about masking symptoms. It's about restoring the natural, healthy balance your mouth is supposed to have. This scientific approach helps fortify your mouth's natural defenses, creating a healthier environment that lasts. Imagine waking up without that morning breath, or enjoying your favorite ice cream without wincing. That's the kind of change ProvaDent users are talking about. The benefits go far beyond just fresher breath. By consistently supporting a healthy oral microbiome, you can expect stronger feeling teeth and healthier looking gums. Many people report a noticeable reduction in gum sensitivity and inflammation. Your smile can appear brighter and you'll feel a newfound confidence in your overall oral wellness. It's about achieving that deep, clean feeling that lasts all day, not just for an hour after brushing. This isn't a temporary fix. It's a long-term investment in your health that improves your quality of life, allowing you to eat, speak, and smile with complete confidence and comfort every single day. Now, it's natural to wonder, is this safe and is it right for me? Absolutely. ProvaDent is manufactured in a state-of-the-art FDA-registered facility following strict GMP or Good Manufacturing Practice guidelines. Each ingredient is carefully sourced and tested for purity and potency. What truly sets ProvaDent apart is its targeted, science-backed approach. Unlike harsh chemical mouthwashes or abrasive toothpastes that can disrupt your oral microbiome, ProvaDent works in harmony with your body's natural processes. It's a gentle yet powerful way to support your dental health. Simply let one soft tablet dissolve in your mouth each day, preferably in the morning. It's an easy, one-step addition to your routine that provides comprehensive support that brushing and flossing alone can't achieve. You've heard the science, the benefits, and the commitment to quality. Now it's your turn to experience the ProvaDent difference. Don't let persistent oral health concerns hold you back any longer. For a limited time, you can access a special introductory offer through the official link below this video. This is your opportunity to join thousands of others who have revitalized their oral health and rediscovered their confident smiles. Click the link now to learn more and secure your supply of ProvaDent. Take the first step towards a healthier, happier mouth today. Thank you for watching.